In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can withdraw money from Olymp app in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. So for the first step, if you open this app and if I open my account here, you can see here in accounts, it's showing two accounts, a demo account and live account. So to withdraw money from live account, we need to click on it and here you will see this withdraw option. Simply click on it. Then you will see this dashboard of withdraw. Here you can add your payment method if you want to withdraw this amount. If I click on that add payment method, you can see here my EasyPesa account is attached here. I will simply select it. After selecting this payment method, you need to write here your bank account number, then your official CNIC number that is registered with that account, first name, last name, and then simply click continue. In next window, you have to type here the amount that you want to withdraw. So you can type here minimum $10. So I will type in PKR 2800 and then it will show you these details, transfer amount, commission and total. Simply select withdraw and confirm it. Then it will start creating your withdrawal request. Click done. Then you need to wait a bit. Now if I click on these three dots and open this transactions, you can see here it's showing withdrawal minus 2800 which is pending now. If I click on it, it will open up its details. You can see here created pending and after processing it will be done. Now simply click back. So here you can see that I just received this payment from Olymp. So that's how you can withdraw money from Olymp app in just few easy steps.